Okay, I had to do a quick video to show you guys. Our refrigerator arrived finally. Yay! We got the LG with the craft ice. I just want to let you know we kind of splurged on the fridge, but I am so happy with it. Freezer has double drawers with a craft ice maker below. Second drawer has both either freezer, chill, or refrigerator options. So it's like a dual drawer setting as well. And adjustable shelves. And there's crushed ice, regular ice, water, and if we knock on the door, it can show us what's inside the mini door before you open the grandiose doors. Well, I should show the mini door first. Mini door, which you can access from the inside too. And then the LG stainless steel back refrigerator craft ice maker. It's absolutely beautiful.